Welcome to the Blacklight Portal, where we're going to answer all your investment education needs. This first topic we're going to cover is securities, and we're going to answer the who, what, where, when, why, and how. And that's going to be a recurring theme for all our educational videos. So first, what is a security? A security is a secure method of financial investing in the form of a tradable financial instrument. So that could be a stock, a bond, option, etc. So for teaching purposes, let's say securities are equivalent to desserts, where your stocks will be cakes, bonds will be pies, and options will be a cupcake or a piece of cake. So within your securities, you have debt, equity, and derivatives of those, and sometimes you can have combinations of those in different investment vehicles. So who owns securities? Retail investors or individuals like you and I own securities, as well as wholesale institutions like brokerage firms. If you're a shareholder, you own stock. If you're a lender, you own a bond. And if you're a retail investor, you can own an option. So each topic will be covered in a separate video. But for teaching purposes, we can say a share in a stock is a piece of cake. Owning a bond would be a piece of pie, as well as calling dibs on a piece of cake would be an option. And we'll get into more detail on those in another video. How do I invest in securities? A broker may invest for you, but you also may invest for yourself if you just simply open up an account. Where can you find securities, and where do you go to invest in them? Well, usually securities are listed on stock exchanges, which will be covered in another video. But brokerage firms, which could be equivalent to bakeries, allow investors to buy and sell securities. Now, when may you invest in these securities? You can invest in those securities between 9:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. Eastern Time, but a few other ones have different regulations, which will be covered later. Why should I know about securities, and why do they even exist? Well, the term security was chosen because it's a secure method of investing. Knowing the different types of securities allows you to invest in a diverse manner, so if one type isn't performing well, another is there to pick up the slack. Also, one security may be a long-term investment, while another may be a short-term gains for right now. There are several desserts to choose from, but some may be more appealing than others. Also, one may not taste as good, so you want to try another one. Securities allow the government and companies to raise money so they can fund ventures that maybe they couldn't do on their own. Now, stay tuned for our future videos to come on stocks and bonds and other topics, because we have so much to give on stock education. We're looking to develop a stepwise program as well to provide not only more education, but aid in strategy development. Until then, sign up for our subscription for access to our newsletter, Black Coffee, as well as our BMX TV for news, strategies, and entertainment. 1.
How?
I'm stacking and flipping it. I'm stacking and flipping it. I'm stacking and flipping. I'm stacking and flipping. I'm stacking and flipping.